Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Focker Friendship. Now we're going to build this in our 16-ounce mixing glass, so we're going to start by adding our ice. From there we're going to add equal parts of creme de cassis and peach schnapps. Now we're using well brands, but feel free to use a brand of your choice, whatever you happen to prefer. So we're going to go 3/4 ounce to 3/4 ounce, or 3 count to a 3 count. So 1, 2, and 3 on our creme de cassis, and 1, 2, 3 on our peach schnapps. You're going to want to get your shot glass ready, and then we're going to combine, mix, and shake. Give our tin a little tap to break that seal. Get our Hawthorne strainer, place it over the mouth of our 16-ounce mixing glass, and simply strain directly into our shot glass like such. And there you have your Focker Friendship. Be careful on how you pronounce it. You don't want to offend anybody. Enjoy.